Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on USDCAD. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, USDCAD has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising brown channel. However, we are currently approaching the upper band, which is the upper brown trend line, acting as a non-horizontal resistance, and also we've got this previous support broken down, now acting as a resistance area. That's why we'll be looking for sell setups on lower time frames, because we're expecting this bearish movement rejecting the upper bound. Of course, unless we see an aggressive candle close above this area and above these highs. In this case, this resistance will be broken and would become a support, and on its retest we'll be looking for buy setups. But anyway, for now, let's take it step by step around the resistance. So let's zoom into lower time frames and look for sell setups. If you zoom into M30 time frame, we can see that we are currently forming a channel, and as per my trading plan, I'll be waiting for a new swing low to form around the lower red trend line to consider it valid. For example, it can be like this, or price can still go higher from here and then form the previous like the new low. Of course, you know what to look for now, waiting for a new low to form, and it would also be a break below the channel. Of course, when the sell is activated, the stop loss would be above the previous swing high, and we target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to have an edge over the market from a risk management perspective. And in this case, if the sell is activated, then as price approaches this demand zone and the previous low from H4 and daily, here we go, we'll be looking for buy setups. Of course, unless broken downward, then we'll be looking for a trend following sell setup. That's it for USD CAD. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one. Before we continue, I want to tell you about Tickmill. Tickmill is established in 2014 and is one of the leading Forex and CFD brokers with registered users from more than 200 different countries. Tickmill is a no-dealing desk and ECN broker regulated in many countries like the UK, Cyprus, and recently in South Africa. With Tickmill, you can trade a wide range of instruments, starting from Forex to indices, commodities, and even crypto. Most importantly, with very low spreads and trading fees. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one using my referral link in the description below to benefit from 5% discounts on your trading fees. And let's continue. Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on NZDUSD. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, NZDUSD has been overall bearish for a while, making lower highs and lower lows. However, it's currently approaching a very strong support area. We've got many rejections from it, and lately we've got an aggressive movement upward from it. That's also a demand zone. That's why we'll be looking for buy setups on lower time frames. Of course, unless we have an aggressive candle close below it. In this case, further movement down will be expected. But let's take it step by step. Right now around the support area, so I'm looking for buy setups. Moreover, I would like to see a break above these lows. So previously acting as a short-term or minor support area, broken downward, now acting as a resistance. So I would like to see a break as well above the 0.62. Moreover, if we zoom into H4 time frame, we are currently bearish, making low lows and lower highs, trading inside this red channel. So I would like to see a new swing high to form here and then a break above it. We can see it even better from H1 time frame. I'm waiting for this swing to form and then a break above it and above the 0.62. In this case, when the buy is activated, the stop loss would be below the previous swing low, and we target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to have an edge over the market from a risk management perspective. Meanwhile, and until the buy is activated, NZDUSD can still trade lower and lower before breaking and the bullish takeover, or lower and lower and break below the support for it to become a resistance. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next.